Hey friends, hello everyone who's watching this video right now. Today will be the gift for all subscribers of the online channel, because this video actually how to make money online without any investment. So you can make the money really absolutely without investing anything. So it's actually for the worldwide. Everyone can join this website and can start to make money from the first days. And one more exciting thing, that if you will make the registration right now by the link in the description, I will give you the money instant. So you will get the money instant on your account. So do that right now and let's go. I will show you how to work with that website, which I'm talking about right now. Let's go, guys. Alright friends, so right now we're on the website Timebox, and I just want to tell you, if you will make the registration as I told you by the link in the description, so you will get the $1 fast instant. You will get that money instant to your account just for the registration. So if you will do that right now, if you will make the registration just, or maybe you can log in with the Facebook, which I will do right now and I will show you, so you will earn just in a second. So I just propose you to do with me together and I will show you what is inside of the website Timebox. So let's go, guys. We'll log in with the Facebook and I will show you how much money you can make just by using this website. And for sure I want to tell you that everyone can use it. It doesn't matter where you live. It's worldwide opportunity and you can make the money without any investment. So you don't need to invest any cent right here. All you have to do, just spend 2-3 hours of your day, per day. Just spend 2-3 hours and you can make the great commissions. So friends, what kind of the ways we have right here? What kind of the ways to get paid? And the first way is the surveys. The surveys is the really great way to get paid, because you don't need to have any special skills, you don't need to have any special knowledge to finish the surveys, to make the job, because it's really for everyone and it's worldwide. So I just want to show you that right here we have the money available to earn $4.34. So everyone can do that. Everyone can answer some questions, they finish some surveys to provide some really simple job, like for the 10-15 minutes, and you can earn the great commissions, the great commissions, because as I told you, you don't need to spend your money. This is not the business, this is just a simple job and you can make it from the worldwide. So actually it doesn't matter where you live. Like I said at the beginning, it absolutely doesn't matter. You can live in Kenya, you can live in Tanzania, you can live in India. Many countries can join and start to make great commissions. Also, what we have right here, it's just to finish some simple tasks with the content, just to view some page. So we can see right now we can earn some extra cents, and it just takes in a second, guys. So 5 seconds you earn some extra cents. It's really simple. Also, you can follow by the Instagram. Also, you can make the different kind of the money right there. You can check it by yourself. And also I just want to show you really great way, which I'm also interested, so you can watch the videos, guys. So do you know what I want to tell you, guys? Many people, they just dreaming to make the money by watching videos, and the Timebox is providing this opportunity to the worldwide, so everyone can join the Timebox and start to make the money just by watching videos. So you can see right here, you can make different kind of the commissions, so different kind. Just by watching the 30 seconds, 60 seconds of the video, the Timebox will pay you the money. So you can see how many offers we have right now and how much money we can earn. And I just want to tell you, here's the great way, like I said, to the worldwide, because you don't need to have special education for that. And if you was trying to apply for the job, of course you need to have a special education. You should have some degrees. So in the Timebox, this is the job for the worldwide, so everyone can start to do that. Everyone can watching the videos, everyone can to make some surveys for the Timebox and make the commissions, guys. This is the really great stuff. Also, what I want to tell you, that you can also tell about this opportunity to your friends, and just by invite them to the Timebox, you will earn, of course, also some commissions. So this is the really great stuff. And also what we have right here, guys, we have the different kind of the cashbacks. If the people will just go through the Timebox, if they will, for example, make some purchases on the AliExpress, on the different kind of the websites, you will receive also some percent. This is the really great stuff on the 100%. The Timebox in the 2019 will be an option for the many people who searching for the way how to get paid and just searching for the way how to make money online without any investment. So this is actually the job online for the different kind of the people, to all the people worldwide. So I just want to tell you guys, don't lose your chance. Here's the really great stuff to make money online. You can make minimum, if you will work, you can make minimum $10 and even more per day. Of course, it's the not huge money, but if you will invite many of your friends, if you will be focused on this work, you can make the normal commissions, like normal salary. So I just really recommend this website to the people, and a lot of the guys, they was asking me about that, how to make the money online with no investment. So my recommendation for you right now, if you don't have the money to invest in the business, you can start to make money without any investment with the time box. And also what we have right here, guys, we have the chat, so you can communicate with the support. The support is really great, so they answer to all the question. Also, there's the different ways how to get paid, the different ways how to withdraw the money. So there's the Payer, there's the PayPal, it's the really great opportunity. I just want to tell you guys, if you're really searching for the way without investment, if you're really searching for the great opportunity online, which you don't need to have any special skills, so just try Timebox. It will be an option for you right now in 2019 for the many people who live in India, who live in the, actually doesn't matter your country, but you can make the great commissions on the 100%. I want to tell you right now, guys, don't forget, if you make the registration right now by the link in the description, you will receive the faster bonus from the earning channel exactly and instant to your account. So make it right now, try Timebox. I guess this will be the great option for everyone who's watching this video right now. Make it right now, make the money, and stay blessed.